Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making an easy breakfast for kids. The ingredients you need will be flour, salt, a little sugar, baking powder, and Frankfurter. So you're gonna make your dough. Knead your flour with your baking powder, a little salt, and a little sugar. Knead your dough well. Then place it in the refrigerator for about half an hour. Then you're gonna take it out and re-knead it. Re-knead your flour. Next, you get a rolling pin and you take your pieces of dough and you make it flat. Just like if you're making, let's say, roti, you get your dough flat. Thin and flat, not too thick. So you flour your board that you're going to roll it on so it doesn't stick on the board. Sprinkle a little flour on the board first, then get your dough, put the dough there and get a rolling pin and roll it out. After it is rolled out, you're gonna get whatever shape you like and cut it out. You can use a cup, a plate, heart shape thing, anything you like. Then you're gonna place pieces of Frankfurter in and wrap it. And this is a dessert this is a breakfast item that your kids will surely enjoy because they love colorful food, they love creative food, so they'll surely enjoy this one. So you can make it in any shape you want. After we make our wraps, then we're gonna get them into the pot and fry them until they're golden brown. So you don't need as much time as you would when you're frying like dumpling because it's not as thick. Flour won't be as thick as if you're frying festivals or dumplings. So we're gonna turn these and cover the pot. Let them fry until they're golden brown. So turn them, cover your pot, and let it simmer. And just like that, our wraps are ready. They're golden brown and tasty, ready to be eaten. If you like this video, please continue watching, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment if you will make this breakfast item.